So in today's video, we are going to take a look at a new software called Blue. So Blue is a project management software that streamline your workflow with this simple and powerful project management system. And the best part is that there are some automation and AI features as well. As you can see, streamline workflow and boost productivity with powerful automations and AI. So it means that you can create lots of automation so that you can manage your project more effectively and easily, and also you can use the power of AI to summarize some of the important part. Like if you have discussed about something with your team, then it will summarize everything for you and give you a detailed report in a pie chart format like this. As you can see, let me show you. As you can see, you will get detailed overview of your project and you can share it with your team member. As you can see, I have access to this tool, so I'm going to show you everything live. So watch this video till the end to decide if this platform is worth your money or not. So overall, it is a best alternative of Trello, Monday.com, Notion and other project management software like this. Okay, and as you can see, Blue is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. You can claim its lifetime deal for just $49 and you can use this software lifetime. Okay, so if you want to claim its lifetime deal, then link is in the video description. So I want to remind you one more thing, then this is a plus exclusive offer. So if you want to grab this deal, then you should be AppSumo Plus user, because it is only available for AppSumo Plus users, as you can see. And one more thing I want to tell you, that this deal is going to expire in 3 days. So grab this deal as soon as possible. And suppose if you don't found this tool helpful, then you have 60-day money back guarantee. As you can see, 60 days money back guarantee. This deal is going to expire within 3 days. So Blue lifetime deal link is in the video description. Just go and check it out. As you can see, I have access to this software. I'm going to show you everything about this tool step by step. So don't miss any part so that you can decide if this platform is worth your money or not. But before starting this tutorial and review, I want to tell you one more thing. I want to discuss about its pricing plan. So Blue is currently offering 9 lifetime deal plans. Okay, so tier 1 plan will cost you just $49. So if you want to manage only one company and if you want to add up to 30 users to manage your project, then this plan is perfect for you. It will cost you just $49 for adding one company and adding up to 30 users in your projects. Okay, and if you have more than 30 users, then you can purchase $98 plan. In this plan, you can add up to 75 users and up to 2 companies. And if you want to add unlimited members in your projects and companies, then I will recommend you to grab tier 5 plan. In tier 5 plan, you can add up to 5 companies and you can add unlimited users. Okay, and if you have less than 30 users, then I will recommend you to grab this $49 plan. Okay, so when you will purchase Blue lifetime deal using the link given in the video description, then you will see a dashboard like this. As you can see, it is very simple dashboard. You can understand this dashboard very easily. Okay, so first is home tab, where you can check all the recent activity, and suppose if you have added any people recently, then also you can check it here. Like if you have added any new team member or anything, then you can check it here and you can check all the activity, like anyone has commented on any particular project and they have done any changes in any project, then you can check everything. You will get detailed overview of recent activity here. And next is, as you can see, it is showing me my dashboard, personal dashboard. So as you can see, I have not assigned any task to myself. That's why it is not showing anything here. So let me show you how to add any task to myself. Suppose I want to add this task to myself. As you can see, there is option to assign any task to any person, and let me assign this task to myself and let's click on close. And if I will go to my dashboard, then as you can see, there is showing one notification. As you can see, it means that someone has assigned any task. In my case, I have assigned a task for myself. That's why it is showing one here. Let's click on it. Okay, if I will click on it, and so as you can see, so this task is assigned to me, and this is in sales CRM project, and this task is assigned by Sumit Saw, that is myself. Okay, so next is all activities. So from here you can see all the activity. Like today I have invited one team member. Okay, so for demo purpose I have invited myself and written the name John. Okay, so as you can see, I have invited this person and I have commented on this task in this category and in this project, sales CRM project. Okay, so I will get a detailed overview like what are the activity going on in my projects. So suppose any team members will also do anything like they have added any new task or they move any task from processing to done or anything, then I will get all the history from here. So I don't need to contact my team member to understand on what project they are currently working on and what are the things they have done today. I can track everything from this dashboard, so I don't need to call them or message them like, hey, what you have done today or anything like this. I can check their activity from this dashboard, like what are the things they have done today. Okay, so this is the activity tab that will help you to manage your entire business, okay, entire project through this activity tab. So you can understand which team member is working and which team member is not working properly, so that you can give them instruction or anything. Next is calendar tab. So here you will get all the upcoming tasks like Notion, Trello and everything. So as you can see, and on 23 there is one task, as you can see it is showing. So in this way you can check your entire month upcoming task using this dashboard. So next is dashboard. So you can create a new dashboard. So let me tell you what is this dashboard. So in this dashboard you can see all your tasks, like completed task or project you are working or completed task, whatever it is. You can check every status in chart wise, okay, like in pie chart or any type of chart. So let me give you a quick demo here. If I will go to this page, so as you can see, you can create this type of chart for any project, like the total sales you have got so far, the number of completed task, uncompleted task or anything. You can get it like this. Okay, I hope you understood. So it is very easy to create a dashboard. Just click on create dashboard, give your dashboard a name like sales dashboard or whatever you want. Just click on enter, and here you can select your project. So for now I have selected this project, so let's click on sales CRM project and let's click on create chart, and here you will get three type of chart, like stat chart, next is pie graph and bar graph. So you can select any graph and you can do it easily, okay, automatically create bar graph or anything, and you can decide in x-axis it will show project or whatever, in y-axis it will show count of all to-do list or anything like this, and you can create this type of graph using this option. I hope you understood. And here is your project. So for example, I have created one project, as you can see, sales CRM project, like it is showing all the prospects. Next is qualified prospects. If this prospect is qualified prospect, then I can move it to here, and suppose I have contacted this prospect, then I can move it to here like this. And next, prepare proposal, send proposal, schedule meeting, follow up 1, follow up 2, closed. If deal is closed, then you can move it here. Suppose this deal is done, so I can move it to closed one section. It means that this deal is closed, and if I lost this, then I can click on lost. And if prospects say then they will think about it in the future, then I can move it to future reference. And there are lots of other things. So let me quickly create a record. Just click on add record and enter a record name, like suppose new prospect name is Smith, so I can write his name here, and then I can click on it. The contact last due date to contact this prospect is end of this month, so I can select it like this. I can click on set date. Okay, so as you can see, whatever I am doing, it is showing me everything in the activity tab here. Okay, and suppose I want to assign this task to John. He is my team member, suppose, so I can assign this task to John, and he will get notification in his dashboard that this task is assigned to him. So there is no tag, so let's create a new tag. Just click on it. Let's click on create a new tag. Let's write something like contact ASAP, contact as soon as possible. Let's click on green and create. Okay, so I have assigned a tag to it. I have added a due date 31st August, and I have assigned this task to John K. So he will get notification in his dashboard that this particular task has been assigned to him, so he can start working on it. And I have also added due date, so he has to contact him before this date, and there is tag, and there are lots of, as you can see, estimated budget. So I can write estimated budget here. Suppose it is $100 or $1,000, whatever it is, you can write it here. You can also add email address here and contact detail and his company website, contact name. Okay, so you can do everything here. And sales confidence level, so if you are confident that you can close this deal, then you can give it 5 star, 4 star, 4.5 star according to your confidence level. Okay, and suppose you want to add any description so that your team member, I have assigned this task to John K, and I want to give him some description like this is a very important prospect, so contact him within 5 days and send me the feedback. Okay, and if you want to highlight any information, then you can bold it if you want. Okay, and also you can attach any file. So if you want to give more information about this client, if you have recorded in any video, so you can send it to, you can add it here, so your team member can watch this video. And suppose if you want to add checklist, then you can add it here, like contact him, close the deal, or whatever. I'm just giving you a demo, that's why I'm writing random thing. Okay, so contact him, after that close the deal. If we follow up, if he will not reply, and as you can see, so you can add checklist here. So suppose John has contacted him and this prospect has not replied, then he can send follow-up email and he can click on it. So we can check the status of the task here. Okay, so like 50% completed or like this. So I hope you understood. So in this way you can check all the activity. Okay, as you can see, it is showing all the activity here also. And suppose your team member want to comment about this prospect, then he can comment like okay, I will do it, like this, and he can comment on it and I can reply to this comment. He has any doubt, suppose my team member has any doubt about this prospect, then he can comment here and I can reply to his comment. So in this way I can manage everything very properly. Okay, and there is one more feature, AI summary. Suppose if you want AI summary, so I don't have lots of chat here, so it will not work, I think. So let's test it out. Generate AI summary. So there is not enough content to generate summary. So if I will discuss lots of things about this prospect, suppose there is 30 to 40 comments. Okay, I have commented, then team member has commented, and there are lots of things, then I can summarize everything that we have discussed using this generate AI summary. I hope you understood. So there is not lots of comment, that's why it is saying there is not enough content to generate a summary. So in this way you can use AI to speed up the process, and you can understand whatever you have discussed with your team member easily. And suppose if you want reminder for this particular task, then you can click on remind me like tomorrow, next week, and you can select a date here, okay, randomly, and in this way you will get notification as well. I hope you understood. So in this way you can manage your project. Suppose if you want to create a different type of project, like for tracking your daily to-do list, or suppose if you are a YouTuber and if you want to check your YouTube channel status, if you want to track it, then you can create a project. Just click on this plus icon, as you can see, just click on this plus icon, click on new project. Okay, so you can start with blank project if you want, but there are lots of pre-designed template that you can use. So just click on use template, and as you can see there are lots of template. For suppose if you want to do account related thing, then there are two different template for it, like account payable, account receivable. Okay, if you are a blogger, then there is blog content template. If you want to manage any event, upcoming event, then there is event management template for you, general project management template. Okay, and goal tracking. Suppose if you are working on any particular goal, like losing 10 kilogram weight, okay, so you can track your goal from this template. There is meeting notes template, there is onboarding templates, okay, and there is personal productivity template, there is reading list template. Suppose if you love reading book and if you want to track how many books you have read so far, and if you want to read any particular book, then this is the reading list for you, reading list template for you. Next is requirements template, risk management template, sales CRM template that we have just discussed. So I have given you a demo using this template, sales CRM. So next is social media content project, user research, virtual event planning, and web designing. Suppose I want to use this goal tracking template, so I can click on it and it will show me the template. I can click on use template. I can give it a name like my personal goal tracking project, okay, like this, and I can create this project. So in this way I can not only manage my business, but also I can use it for my personal growth, okay, for personal productivity and all these things. And I forgot to mention one more thing. Suppose I want to add a team member in sales CRM project, then what I can do, I can click on it, and there are lots of things. I forgot to show you all these things. So if you want to check the board view, then you can check it. If you want to check the task in calendar view, then here is the calendar view, timeline view, database view, list view, and even map view, okay. So in this way you can check your upcoming projects, okay, and all the activity in different view option, okay. And also you can check this dashboard based on the any member that is working on this project. Suppose if I want to check what are the tasks on which John is working, so I can click on John K and it will show me only those activities on which John is working. I hope you understood. I can click on everyone again and I can check the due date from here, and there are lots of other things. Suppose I want to check all the activities that have tag contact as soon as possible, so I can click on it. So as you can see, it is showing me one task here, okay. I hope you understood. So in this way I can check like this. So there is wiki section, so if you want to add every details about your sales CRM project, then you can add it here. Like you can talk about your vision, like what you want, what you expect from your team member, or whatever you want. You can write detailed thing about your sales CRM project here, so you can, so your team member can understand everything easily. And there is chat section, so if you want to chat with your team member that are working in this project, then you can easily contact them through this chat option. There is docs option, so if you want to upload any document that will be helpful for your team member that are working on this project, then you can click on create doc and you can give your doc a name and you can upload your document here. And next is files. So if you want that, suppose there is 2 to 3 video file or images or anything that related to this project that will be helpful for your team members to understand this project easily or anything like this, then you can upload that file by clicking on upload file button and you can upload that particular file here. Next is form. If you want to create any form, then you can click on it, then and you can create a form like this, okay. Next thing is this people section. So if you want to add more team member in this sales CRM project, then what you can do, you can click on add. You can click on add people. Suppose if you want to add one more admin in this project, then you can click on admin. If you want to add member, then you can click on it. So suppose I want to add one more team member, then I can click on it. Then I can enter their email address and I can click on add. When I will click on add, then they will get confirmation email. When they will click on it, then they can join this project, okay. I hope you understood. Okay, so recently I have created one more project, this my personal goal tracking project. So I can use it in the similar way. I can click on plus record to add anything. I can move anything, okay, like this, okay. Suppose I want to do this thing in Q2, then I can move it here. I hope you understood. And the last thing that I want to mention is some common settings. So just click on this icon and click on this company setting, and here you can add your company detail, okay. If you want to change this URL, then you can change it. You can upload your company logo here. You can change the color, okay. If you want that this project will be in orange color, then you can change the color like this. I hope you understood. And next is there is some notification setting. So suppose anyone has mentioned you in any comment, then you can get email notification. You are assigned to a record, then you can select it and you can get email notification, and also you will get the push notification on mobile and desktop, okay. And suppose if you don't want for reminders, then you can unselect it. So you can customize it according to your need. And also if you don't want any notification related to my personal goal tracking project, then you can turn it off and you can manage all these things very easily like this. I hope you understood. So Blue is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. You can claim its lifetime deal for just $49. Link is in the video description. Just go and grab it as soon as possible because this deal is going to expire within 3 days. So just go and check it out, grab this deal as soon as possible. And suppose if you don't find this platform helpful, then you can get full refund within 60 days because this tool has 60-day money back guarantee, as you can see. So just check the link in the video description to claim this lifetime deal. Okay, so this is my complete review of Blue project management software. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.